Today, I'm putting my DIY skills to the test as I try to make a Xiaomi-powered drone take flight using my own AI technology. Let's see if I can pull it off. The idea of combining Xiaomi's cutting-edge technology with DIY AI to create a functional drone is both innovative and exciting. Drones have become increasingly popular, but what if I told you that you can create one from scratch, powered by Xiaomi hardware and AI? It sounds like a challenge, right? Creating a drone from scratch isn't easy, especially when you're trying to integrate AI for enhanced performance. One of the biggest hurdles I faced was finding the right balance between the drone's weight and its power. Too much weight, and it wouldn't be able to lift off. Too little power, and it would struggle to stay airborne. Then there's the issue of stability. A drone needs to be able to stabilize itself quickly to avoid crashes. I've spent countless hours researching and experimenting with different components, from the frame to the motors, and even the propellers. Each part has to be carefully selected to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. And then there's the AI. Developing an algorithm that can learn and adapt in real time is no easy feat. I've had my fair share of failures, but each one has taught me something valuable. The AI algorithm I developed uses machine learning to adjust the drone's flight patterns based on environmental factors. It's been a challenge to fine-tune, but I'm excited to see it in action. I've also had to consider safety features, such as emergency shutdown and obstacle avoidance, to prevent accidents. So how does it all come together? The Xiaomi hardware provides the drone's brain, while the AI algorithm gives it the ability to learn and adapt. The drone's frame and motors are carefully selected to provide the perfect balance of power and agility. And then there's the software, a custom-built program that integrates the AI with the drone's hardware. The moment of truth finally arrives. I'm putting the drone through its paces, testing its agility and stability. The drone lifts off smoothly, hovering steadily before moving into a series of sharp turns and quick changes in altitude. The testers are on the edge of their seats as the drone expertly navigates through a series of obstacles. As I take the drone higher, the excitement builds. It's not just about the tech, it's about the thrill of creation. Seeing the drone respond to voice commands and navigate through complex routes is truly exhilarating. The journey of building this drone has been a roller coaster of ups and downs, but the end result is truly satisfying. Not just because it works, but because it shows that with determination and the right tech, you can achieve some amazing things. This achievement isn't just about me. It's about the entire DIY and tech communities coming together to push the boundaries of what's possible. If you're as fascinated by DIY drones and AI as I am, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech innovations and DIY projects. There's plenty more where this came from.